and welcome back to episode 7 of the Sussex Solution. My name is Elizabeth DeTemple, and today we're going into a really cool topic, two-shot molding, also known as multi-shot molding. So we'll be speaking with our tooling manager, Alan Kastelic, who will walk us through the process and show us some of the products that we manufacture here at Sussex IM. Take it away, Alan.
Thanks, Elizabeth. I'm excited to talk about two-shot molding today, and I'd like to explain the process. Two-shot molding is the combining of two plastic resins into one part. Sometimes it's in one mold, sometimes it's in a mold in one machine, and sometimes it's in two machines. And I'd like to explain a little bit about what the different processes are, and I have some sample parts to show you. Two-shot molding is used for various reasons. One of the main ones is used for the aesthetic purposes of having two colors in a product. And as we look at this product also, not only does it have the two colors, which makes it look very classy, it also has a soft touch, a soft feel, and it adds a gasket to seal on its bottle as it's used in its application. It's a very complicated mold that's run in one machine. We also have another little gasket on a lid part for our tumbler. That is also run in one machine. And then there's some cases where you need an opaque part and a clear window, where in this particular application we are molding the clear window in one machine and transferring it over to overmold it inside another machine for the opaque part. And similar to that is we have a little cosmetic case where we have a window in a molded opaque part, but this is done in one machine, not two, in one mold. And another application is when you need to encapsulate something such as this electronic identification chip inside of a plastic part, where we'll mold, it's in one machine, and it will mold the chip inside the part on our first shot, and the second shot we completely encapsulate it so it's completely sealed. And in just this last application I'm showing, we have a particular situation where there is flavoring in this colored material. And this colored material then is dispersed throughout this part, which gives it a nice classy look. And if you look at it, it's a very intricate design in how this mold was built, but it retains the flavoring within the original plastic part. Some of the challenges of two-shot molding occur in the part design and getting materials to bond together. With this one, since the material is the same material, it will chemically bond. That's one of the bonding characteristics. With this product, we had to develop a mechanical bond where we get the material to interlock the first shot to the second shot. In this product also, though, if we get the flavoring put into the product, we had to do some very intricate interlacing in the channels into this product. But some of the processing challenges that happen with this is to get the materials to not leak in the injection mold as you're exerting injection pressure. Such as with this product, you would put this hard plastic into the mold and crush it into the mold to seal up all these surfaces to get the second shot in, because injection pressures will bend and distort the materials, and that's a big challenge for the injection process. So there's a little bit of fine-tuning that goes on once you develop the molds in the process. Some of the advantages of two-shot molding is the part is made complete in one press at one time. That avoids post-molding operations and secondary operations. Another advantage is cost. Generally, these products are a lot less expensive to do it this way than to have various products combined into one. At Sussex IM, we have all these multiple processes that we use to mold these products, and we have many presses that we can do this with. We take it from product design to mold design into manufacturing, and there's sometimes extensive development time, but we usually nail it. We have an awesome team here.
Well, thank you, Alan, for joining us on this month's episode and taking us through two-shot molding and some of the products that we manufacture here.
You're welcome. I enjoyed doing it.
Well, we hope that you stay tuned for next month's episode. If you have any questions about two-shot molding and the services that we can provide, feel free to contact us directly. And also make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you stay up to date on any new videos that come out. We hope to see you next month.